Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an amazing eye look with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is dig into New Money, this gorgeous fuchsia, and I'm going to put it right on the center of my lids. This palette has 14 gorgeous shades of matte as well as metallic eyeshadows. They are infused with gold and cocoa powder, which makes this super unique. Chocolate gold is what is next. It is going on the inner corner of my lid, and as you will see, I'm going to also put it on the bottom of the inner corner of my eye, just to give them a little more dimension. When I'm finished with this, I'm going to use a nice blending brush to buff out any hard edges. Next, I'm going to be using Livin Lavish on the outer corner of my eye as well as my beautiful crease. I'm going to use the same shade to line my lower lashes. After this, I'm going to quickly throw on my Too Faced liquid eyeliner and then pop on some concealer underneath those wings. After that is all said and done, I'm going to put on some Duo Lash Glue on my gorgeous Flirt by Tarte lashes. While that's drying, I'm going to pop on some bronzer just to give some finishing touches to my look. And of course, I want to give as much emphasis to my eyes as possible, so I am going to pop on a little bit of color on my lips. This is Covergirl Lip Lava in the color Lava-nder. I chose this color because it was very similar to the New Money on my lids, and I thought that it would really make it pop. Now that my lashes are good and ready, I am going to adhere those babies. As I'm giving these some time to dry, I'm going to throw my hair back and get ready for this final look. So last but not least, I am throwing on some high definition mascara on my lashes to make my eyes have one more layer of definition and dimension. Yes! Once I am finished with this and everything is all dried and set, I think I have reached my final destination. Please do not leave without subscribing to my channel. Hopefully you can hit the bell so you can stay updated on all my new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Sophistafunque Beauty as well to stay up to date on everything.